Hi everyone, my name's Electric Donkey, and welcome back to another little feedback sort of video type thing we're doing. So today, let's pull that out of the way for the time being. We're doing a little game sort of thing called Picross. Now I'm just gonna check, but I believe Picross is kind of a game that's already been made or something like that. Anyway. I'm going to check though, regardless. Or maybe I'm not. Let's see. Ah, there we go. Picross. Oh, so it's a DS game or something. Anyway, basically, I've been working on this for a bit. I feel like it's getting to a place where it is finished. But I would like you to play, test it, and suggest features and such. The graphics are not great, but it's Picross. There is not too much you can do with it. Anyway, there is a random mode that will randomly flag squares as picked, and there's a creative mode where you can make your own boards and share them, which is actually pretty cool, I think. So like I said before, other ideas are welcome, as well as bugs and errors. Thanks. Well, I already got an error, and this is a game maker error, which, if you're making a game, if you want to make a proper game sort of thing, you really don't want game maker errors. Fortunately, this is one that you could ignore, but all the same, they're not very nice and they're not very friendly. But basically, what's happening is, when we've gone to save our thing, I think, we haven't put a file name in and closed it. I believe that's what's happened. Anyway, okay, apparently we can't ignore it anyway, so we're just gonna have to abort that, and we're gonna have to boot it all the way back up again. So whilst that's doing its thing, let's just have a look at the pictures. Not much really to see there. There it is. Picross.exe. It's got a little download link. You can go ahead and download. There's not really any comments as such. It's just someone asking for screenshots. But here we go. Now, I think I've played this before, and I believe. No, I can't quite remember actually. I think it's something to do with. It's alright. It's obviously something to do with these numbers. And it's some sort of puzzle type minesweeper thing. Let's just test. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many of these can we do? Let's try and work out what's actually going on here. If we go ahead and just clean all these out. Now, the problem I've got with this is it's not really your in-game, is it? Like this, I could sit here and say, well, we need a tutorial, we need this, but problem is, it's not your game. You've probably made the game in Game Maker and you've copied it off Nintendo sort of thing, but I can't really criticize it for that matter, because obviously it works on the DS, and my problem is there's not much I can criticize apart from the art. The art isn't exactly user friendly, as I would probably say, and the numbers, I don't know. It's all a bit tricky, because it's kind of like, is it really a game? Is it just something that's been copied and put onto PC? I don't really know. I can't judge on that matter. But I don't have a clue what's going on here. But anyway, let's just, you can keep randomizing these and doing that. But let's try and create our own puzzle. So we've made our beautiful puzzle. Let's just click around here. Okay, that's our puzzle. Now let's go ahead and try and save it. So what if we save it right into the OneDrive, and let's just, where should we put it, under custom. Actually, let's not put it in the OneDrive. That's a silly place to put it. Let's put it in Documents. So let's put, I don't know, custom puzzle in there. So now what if we go and load custom puzzle? Is this gonna work? Hang on a minute. Something's not right here. If I click load custom puzzle, nothing's happening. What's going on with that then? Well, that's not very good, is it? I can't load it. Let's just try and shut it down and open it back up again. All I can say really is it's kind of a game there, but it's a bit buggy, it's a bit glitchy. And obviously it's a demo, it's a work in progress, that's fine, but if you're gonna make a game that's already been made before, try and make it better, or try and make it at least run decent. So what did we save it as? It was custom puzzle.ini. Okay, so here we go. We can see this is the puzzle that we made earlier. Let's just see if we can, if we go into downloads, wait for that to load up a bit. If we can load in some of these other ones, I believe, bottle.ini. So there's not much I can say about it really. Personally, I don't really like it. I don't like the art style. It just doesn't shout, that's a good game at me. But it's kind of also at the same time it's a bit iffy. So even if this is something you like, if you like this sort of Picross, if you've played it before or something, then go ahead, play it, have a go at it. It seems pretty decent at being Picross. But if you want a game just that's not Picross, then well, it's basically not for you. If you think I want a new game, I want to go out and try something, what should I try? I would say don't go out and say, oh no, let's try Picross. But at the same time, it's free, so it's free. He's looking for some feedback, so if you go on, play around, and just see how it goes, see if you get any errors, etc. That'd probably be great. He'd probably, or she probably, mildly, is that the word? Majorly, that's the word. Majorly appreciate your help. So anyway, guys, I think that's just about it for this video. There's not much I could say about it, but that's just how it goes sometimes. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one.